Hi everybody, this is how to obtain the relation centripetal acceleration equals v squared over r. We will imagine an object that moves on a circular path, and this object begins from position A and moves to position B. At A, the velocity vector, which is always tangent to the circular path, is v. At B, it is v plus delta v. Okay, delta v is the change in velocity from A to B. Those velocity vectors are perpendicular to radius of sphere, because radius is always perpendicular to tangent to the circle, and as object moves from A to B, it makes a small angular displacement delta theta. Okay, if we take both V and delta V here, make them connected like that. Okay, which I made. Let me make them more parallel here. Here is V, which is parallel to V, and here is V plus delta V parallel to this vector. Then we can make a third one, which is delta V. Okay, it will actually be a right angle triangle where V plus delta V is equal to V plus delta V. Vector V plus vector delta V is equal to the resultant vector V plus delta V. And the angle between V and delta V is delta theta, because from geometry, angle between two lines is like the angle between the perpendiculars to these two lines. So angle between R and R is delta theta, and perpendiculars to R and R is V and delta V. So this angle is equal to angle between V and delta V. Okay. Another thing is delta theta is very small angle. Then tan delta theta is almost equal to delta theta is equal to opposite over neighbor. And from the arc that subtends delta theta, which is delta S, we can say that delta S equal to R delta theta. So we have two formulas here. Both contain delta theta. If we replace one by one delta theta, say from formula 1 by delta S over R, or the opposite, here delta theta is replaced by delta V over V, we can obtain something like that. After that, we can divide by delta t, because we want to reach acceleration. Certainly acceleration will be obtained by division delta v by delta t. So we have here delta s over delta t is simply v, and here is a. It is obvious that we can rearrange and obtain our relation.